I like to work like I cook. I clean as I go. That way stuff doesn't get in the way. You don't trip over it, you know, especially with limited workspace. This is what I'm using, guys. This is my little weld pack. It's a Lincoln. I think I paid like 300 bucks for this thing. Gosh, 20 years ago I've had this thing. It's a little 100 amp arc welder. It's got 4 settings. I can weld all the way up to 1/4 inch steel, or deeper, but you really want to have a little more power to go deeper. But this is all you need, guys. I use the shielded wire, and that way I don't have to run gas with it. It's a little messier. It splatters a little bit more, but it works really good. So for all of your welding needs, you know, that little box will do probably 90% of your home stuff. Got my base plate. It's gonna go right on here. Well, it would help if I had a sharp drill bit. That's one thing that people don't do. They don't sharpen drill bits. You guys want to watch how to do it? It's real easy. Something I learned in metal shop back in Harrisburg Union High School. So you're basically matching the angle of the drill bit. So you got this angle here, and you have an angle here. And then not flat on, but you're going to angle it this way to match that angle. And then you're just going to just gently do both sides. Don't overheat it. Now it's probably really hard for you guys to see that. I'll focus a little bit. Now if I did it right, it might be a little bit too flat. Well, we'll see in a second. Wow, look at that. Cuts like butter. So if you guys don't know how to sharpen a drill bit, carbide bits can be reused over and over and over. If they stop drilling, don't throw it away and go buy a new one. Sharpen it. Look all over YouTube. There's all kinds of YouTube videos on how to sharpen a drill bit. But for anybody that hasn't seen that, you just put it on the grinder. As long as you got a good, a fine grinding wheel, not a rough one, but a fine grinding wheel, and put an edge back on that thing, and you'll. Geez, how many times have I went before I knew how to do this? Put that square on it, got it all nice and square, and then I'm going to tack it in place. Here we go. Like it. I like it a lot. Okay. weld this bad boy up. Alright guys, there it is. There's the base to my antenna. So that's going to be embedded in concrete. And I'll slip that piece of antenna right there, that mast, right over the top of those poles right there, and they're going to bolt right into place. But those bad boys, that's about 27 inches. 27 inches worth of concrete right there. That's going to be embedded in. So I'll go up there and dig my hole, fill that sucker up full of concrete, shove those things down in and wiggle them down in, and then let her dry overnight. Those things will be solid.